Right, we have to replace the screen on this iPhone 13. So, yeah. First things first is getting the faulty screen off. Right, so we shall do that. Okay, so now we're going to try and separate the screen from the phone body. I'm using a hot water bottle to heat up the screen surface. So I shall be using this suction cup as well to try and prise up the screen. So this is the replacement screen. Oops. So this will be the new screen that I will be refitting, and I've got the adhesive as well to make sure that the phone is watertight when I put it back together. Yep. So obviously I'll need to transfer the cameras and the sensors at the top here. So now that I've heated this up for about 10 minutes, I can start taking it apart. Now before you start taking anything apart electronic, you need to have a earth strap. So this one I've had for quite a while, and so it basically fits on my wrist like that, and this one plugs into the earth lead on the power cable. So basically there. Don't put it on any one of these because you'll get electrocuted. This is your earth socket, so that's where it goes. So let's start taking this thing apart. So what you need to do first is to remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom there next to the lightning port. So we'll just do that. Yeah. Okay, so now that you've opened it up, let's start removing the separate the screen from the main body. So we need to get a what's that? I think pentalobe screwdriver number. It's a 0.6 pentalobe. Yeah, 0.6 for this one. Okay, and then the others are, what is it? Phillips. Yeah, which one's the Phillips? Okay, the yellow one. Yellow is the Phillips. Okay. Right, oops. Just remember where they go. Okay. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay. Right. So again, remember which order they go in. Okay. Oops. Okay. And the third one. Okay. Right, so those are the screws there. Now, let's remove the heat shield. Both heat shields. Oh, okay, I think I've okay, there's one more on here. Just that one there. That's it. Okay. Right, now, so let's remove the screen. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so that's fastened there, and this one here. So, but come on, that's it, and that should separate. Okay, so now what we'll need to do is to transfer the camera. Do I need to transfer anything from there? What? Yeah, just that plate. Okay, so I need to transfer this plate onto there. Okay, into the new one. Okay, let's do that and then start putting things back. Right, so all back together now. Let's test it. Power it on. And it powers on. Brilliant. So there we have it. iPhone 13 screen repair. Okay. I don't exactly know the passcode to this, but Josh, do you wanna test this out, please? Come here. Come here. Don't know the passcode. What's your passcode? You're not gonna tell me, are you? No. Yes. Oh. Go on, do it. Ta-da.
It works.
It works, does it?
Yeah.
Low battery. Why didn't you charge it up?
What do you mean?
Yeah. Okay, there you go. That'll be 95 quid.
95 quid?
Oh, I'm kidding.
Did you do the back? Oh, no, you didn't do the back stuff.
Did I?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Doodles.